My name is Lloyd Hopkin and I'm the Head of Curriculum Reform at Welsh Government. First of all, I want to say a huge thank you to you for being part of these national network conversations. We're very conscious how busy you are, we're very conscious how much there's going on, but we also want to use this opportunity to support you as best we can as you develop your curriculum for curriculum reform. If we're going to make that reform a success, then your experiences and your perspectives as practitioners are absolutely vital. From the outset, it's important to say that these conversations aren't meant to give you all the answers, and they're not meant to be substitutes for professional learning. Instead, they're meant to build on the work and preparation that you've done at school and in the professional learning that you've engaged with, and to give you opportunities to share your experiences and to reflect on them with other practitioners and help us as a system decide what we need to do next to make sure that rollout of the curriculum for Wales is a success. Using the conversations that you've had through this network, we then want you to be able to take your thinking back and have this conversation at school in a bit more detail. We've designed the national network so that it's underpinned by key ways of working, and we set these ways of working out in the Curriculum Implementation Plan, which was published in January 2021. Firstly, the national network is all about co-construction, and so these conversations are meant to give you, as teaching practitioners, a national role in shaping what the system should do to help you with rollout of your curriculum. Co-construction means all of us, whether that's government, supporting partners or practitioners, all of us working together to develop and test approaches from different perspectives. It means equity between different voices, rather than one voice giving direction to everyone else. And it's about allowing everyone to both challenge and to be challenged. The national network is intended to give you space and time to step back, to think and engage and to reflect, to think about the concepts, the ideas and the principles of the curriculum for Wales. It's meant to give you a chance to think about what's required, rather than feeling that you're being rushed into developing a product. Critically, it's meant to give you a chance to ask the question, why? Why are things being learned? Why are we doing things? Are they contributing to our aspirations for learners? It's an opportunity for professional dialogue in a trusting and safe environment, and we also want to give opportunity to engage, for you to have opportunity to engage with expert input from curriculum design expertise from across the world over the course of these network conversations. So what is the network meant to do? The national network will help identify the opportunities and barriers that we face as a nation around curriculum rollout. As we identify these, the national network will bring together intelligence, views and perspectives to understand how we're progressing towards curriculum reform. Together, the national network will co-construct approaches in making the most of opportunities and as well what approaches we need to address the issues that we've identified. We'll then share these approaches throughout the system so everybody can benefit from them. We want to know what's working, but more importantly, we want to know why it's working. The network will also broker relationships between practitioners, curriculum experts, and stakeholders outside education who can help to design and deliver aspects of the curriculum. The network will also help us identify where resources and supporting materials might be needed and will help us develop those. So how will the national network work? The national network will hold conversations on specific issues around curriculum reform. They will start by being broad, overarching issues, and over time we'll start to have conversations about more specific issues, including issues around, within, and across different AOLEs. We'll be putting the details of future conversations on the curriculum page on Hub. Conversations will have a very clear start date, and they'll have a very clear end date, with a need to develop specific findings, analysis, suggested approaches and outputs. These conversations are being planned and developed by volunteer groups of practitioners, and there'll be opportunities if you'd like to register your interest to be part of further planning groups for future conversations. These conversations will be held in discussions like the one that you're having shortly, both nationally and in regional networks. We're also then providing the layout of the conversation for you to be able to take this conversation and have it back at school in a bit more detail. The conversations are being supported by a coherence group, which will help make sure that all conversations are focused and helpful to practitioners. They'll also be supported by an expert group, which will provide input, support and challenge from a range of international curriculum design experts. Where appropriate, we'll also look to involve stakeholders from both inside and outside education to contribute to these conversations. Once you've had the conversation, we want you to be able to feed back. You'll be able to feed back your findings and your reflections from your conversation, whether that's held nationally, regionally, or back at school. And that feedback will be analysed and considered by the planning group for that conversation, and based on that, they'll put together findings, suggested approaches, and next steps, ensuring that your views, your perspectives, will help drive what we do next to make curriculum rollout a success. So a big thank you for being part of this. As I say, your involvement, your experiences, and your thinking is absolutely critical to ensuring that we as an education system in Wales do everything we can to support you as you roll out the curriculum for Wales. Diolch yn fawr.